Hi, Shayla with WTI. And if your kids are looking for a super cool gaming keyboard, let me show you what this one does. This RK Royal KLUDG mechanical keyboard is so super cool. It is wireless or wired, but I love all these colors. Just look how pretty it is. It's got like 8 backlit features, and then it's got 1 monochrome backlit feature. But the crazy patterns and different things that it does is so fun to watch, even when it's a little darker and they're gaming and it's kind of syncing to their games. I just love watching it. It's a pretty keyboard. Like I said, it is a good Bluetooth wireless. You can use it on the go, really easy to kind of move around with it. You just need to turn it on and pop out the little USB that comes on the bottom of the keyboard, and put it in the computer, and you're good to go. So a really neat feature, but if you're not looking to waste those batteries constantly, it does have this amazing coiled aviator cable. So it's just kind of a fancy looking braided cable, and it feels very strong, very high quality. It adds a little texture, and it just keeps that cord all together. But like I said, when they're not using it, I actually don't mind using it. It's pretty, it's very functional, it's very ergonomic, feels good design. Just overall, we are super impressed with it. So whether wired or wireless, this is definitely the gaming keyboard for you, and that's my point of view.